Hi guys, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, my name is Chris. You can use the mic, please.
Okay. I'm Lovetta Semota.
Okay. And
I'm the
then,
outside game. Nice
okay.
to be here.
First, today's program is centered around um, how to make 1 naira, 2 naira, or more in Nigeria. All right. The theme of the entire event is actually a workshop, and a workshop does not take the form of a seminar, a conference, a symposium, or a normal lecture work. So we are concerned about the low productivity in Nigeria, the declining productivity of an average Nigerian laborer. All right, you own your business or you work for people, or you're a professional, maybe like a doctor, a lawyer, an accountant, a realtor, whatever it is that you do. We are concerned about the state of productivity in Nigeria.
How can I train myself more productive?
Okay. Like I think before you came also, we did say something that productivity basically, if people, the classical definition of productivity is that the number or the amount or the volume of things that comes out of you, the products, the let's say how many products comes out of you per hour. Let's say for instance, let's say like money for example now, how much do you make per hour, or how many cars do you produce per hour, or how many children can you teach per hour, or how many blocks can you make per hour or per minute or per whatever. So it is work against time ratio.
Okay.
Okay, but moving forward, especially the time that we're in right now, people are also looking at people doing what they love. Because if you don't, if you don't, if your mind tells you that selling of real estate is for school dropouts or is for jobless people, it's going to affect your state of mind.
We can build our skills, not our mind.
Yes, yes,
Grow.
yes. They can develop your mindset. You understand, and then you can grow it. You understand what I'm saying?
I also feel spirit of real estate productivity. We're talking about productivity generally, but in the spirit of the kind of work we do and the environment we do, you cannot be productive when you keep yourself in one place. You are doing the same thing all over and or every week you are doing the same thing every month from year to year. You are doing the same thing, you are going to the same place. You don't try to kind of explore in that business field because this is real estate. You really cannot do it alone at the comfort of your home or at the comfort of a particular because you're not a staff there. You understand? So this mistake some of us do, they focus on one side. If here is my center, I keep going there. And what if whatever they are teaching there is not helping you? You are not being productive. Some people must have attended trainings for 2 years and they are not able to get anything that will help them in a particular field. But they don't move around.
Part of personal development or part of relations, building relationship is actually teaching people what you believe in. Like what Mr. Chris has done today. Creating a platform to letting people know because people will do better when they know better. It may not just be real estate, but our own focus is real estate because we are all in real estate. We are real estate network marketing. In network marketing, one of my coach, I've not been able to do it, and I'm praying that those are some of my targets for 2025. If I'm able to talk to 5 persons about my real estate every day or real estate opportunity every day, I will see buyer from inside. I will see people that will join my business from inside, and automatically, all of them are not going to do
People on the streets every day.
both on the street or your phone. 5 persons every day. We go out for marketing now. It's your job. You go out to work. So you take it at least. Whenever I go out, I talk to 5 persons every day, educating them on your real estate opportunity or your life opportunities. Like this kind of opportunity, you talk to people about it. and if you talk to 5 persons every day without Saturday and Sunday, that's about 25 persons in a month. From that 25 persons, less than 10% or about 10% will buy into that idea, and you will not have said you have blessed life, and you have made them more productive, even though they don't join your business.
In fact, in all sincerity, personally, I would say that I gained a lot. My perception, or will I say, attitude, and what I think about productivity here now cannot be overemphasized because I have learned much today. I learned much today. And in productivity, I believe that one, one person to be productive, you only do as one, but it's coming as a group, as when we borrow a lead from what landlady Jane said on crowdfunding on real estate. It's coming together. As we have come together here now, rub minds on how to be productive as the year is rounding off in 2025, this will help us achieve more, to be more productive in all we do, particularly as we are in real estate. We're more productive in real estate. Then we have all said what and what will help us to achieve this more.
Okay. And my takeaway is I have to work on myself more, work on my growth, and this business is about friendship, and you have to love people. If you want to grow, you love people. By 2025, we'll be more focused. You understand? Collaborate more. Thank God that we have a group that we are collaborating together. I pray that God Almighty will help us till next year so that we'll collaborate more. But I've learned a lot, Sha. I've learned a lot. I have to work on read more. And God will help me in that aspect of reading. Because sometimes I will say I want to read before I know it, I've slept off. Tiredness
All
and
right.
everything.
Lady Jane,
So
what is the relationship between reading books and productivity?
Okay, reading books is part of being productive because while you read, you're getting versatile and you're getting the knowledge of what you may not know, or the ones you know and you never had an understanding about it. So for me personally, I want to be productive, and one of my approach to being productive is,
To build a personal library.
yes, not really
And you have three books already.
not really building a personal library, but getting to equip myself with knowledge of about what I am about to do. You understand? So reading has also come to play a big role in
Being
my
productive.
self development
Okay.
and all that.
All right. Thank you. Debbie, pass the mic to Debbie. Debbie, how can you use digital marketing skills to be more productive?
First and foremost, we have all agreed that the world is digital now.
Okay.
More than more than 100% of the persons we can meet on ground are online. So if you adopt digital mindset and put out yourself in that space, you'll be able to affect more life positively. You will also be able to put out your business for more persons to see and buy.
All right. My name is Ehato Christian Saze. I want to actually thank you guys for coming to this maiden edition of the Lagos Productivity Workshop. It's a workshop, it is not a seminar. It's a place whereby we bring people together to try as much as possible to put into practice, you know, the things that we believe will make us productive. So thank you, Debbie, for coming. Thank you, Mr. OK, for coming. Thank you, Lovett, for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you, Landlady Jane, for coming. So please, can you just tell them your social media contacts? Okay? Your social media contacts, how they can get across to you.
Okay, of course, you can get me on TikTok at Landlady Jane and on YouTube at Landlady Jane. So you can also get me on Facebook at SN1 Lillian Jane, and my phone number is +234 8060363102. Thank you.
Okay. You can get me on Facebook, Lovetiria Gunsi Asemota. You can also get me on YouTube, Lovetiria Gunsi Asemota. I'm also on TikTok, Lovetiria Gunsi Ase. Then I'm also on Instagram, Lovetiria Asemota, Lovet Ase, Lovetiria Gunsi Ase on Instagram. Then my numbers are +234 07 81646867. Then you can also get me on +234 80 337 46 08 464. Thank you.
You can get me at Facebook, okgeorge at facebook.com, or YouTube at Okechukwu George, Instagram Okechukwu George, or you can get me on my digit number +234 80 3375 9227.
Thank you, guys. My name is Deborah Osaige. So you can get me on YouTube on Deborah Osaige, then TikTok, Deborah Osaige. Facebook is Grateful Debbie or Isioma Deborah Osaige. Why my numbers are +234 0859861038. Thanks, guys.
All right, guys. So your numbers, your social media details will be displayed on the screen that we put on the description box. And I encourage my subscribers to subscribe to your own channels. And then I also encourage family and friends to do business with you guys as well. So thank you very much for coming. And I hope you guys will be really productive in 2025. So thank you guys for coming. God bless you guys. We've had over 2 hours of wonderful deliberation. Thank you very guys for coming. So we see you guys by the last Saturday of this month, December. All right. God bless you guys. Ciao.
Ciao.